Hi, boys and girls. I am out sick today. I'm not feeling well. I've got a fever and a cough and a cold, and also my two kids have to go to the orthodontist today. So just a few reminders about while I'm out. Hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, but just be on your best behavior for the substitute. Couple of reminders. If you will remain seated and silent, if you have a question or you need something, if you will raise your hand and wait for the substitute to come to you or to call on you, or use your hand signals as well. And I know you're going to show the visitor in our classroom how well behaved Southwood students are. So also, if you were absent last week or on Friday, in just a moment, when I get through saying this, if you will pause the video and raise your hand, and I need you to ask the substitute for your makeup work, and it is hanging on the wall behind my computer cart. So pause the video, raise your hand, and ask the substitute to get your makeup work. If you were absent any last week, take that makeup work home and work through it. We will be having a test this Wednesday. So after you do the work in class today, then tomorrow we're going to review and we'll have a test on Wednesday. So make sure you get all of your makeup work. Also make sure that you don't get anyone else's makeup work. I think I have everything divided out. So if you were absent, if you'll pause the video and get your makeup work. Okay, I have went ahead and typed in the plan for today so that you'll know what you're going to be working on. In just a moment after you finish this video, you're going to follow all the directions in Google Classroom in order as they appear. And the first thing you're going to do is warm up number 85. It's on a Google form. You will need to use a page in your notebook for scratch paper. Do not get up and go to the scratch paper bin. Just use a sheet of paper in your notebook. Also, for all of your work today, you may use your calculator that's on your Chromebook. You're going to be doing area problem solving or working with area, so you will need to use your calculator. After you do your warm-up today, then you're going to go to another video in Google Classroom, and you're going to be completing page 76 of your notebook. And I'll go ahead and apologize. You will have to copy down some of the problems, but when you're writing down the problems, you may abbreviate or leave out some words and just write down the most important information that you need. So the video will guide you through some examples on page 76, and then you're going to do a practice page, page 77, on your own, and I will have that file in Google Classroom. If you'll just follow all the directions in Google Classroom, I think it'll be self-explanatory. So you'll be completing that page. I've got a PDF file that you're going to pull up, and then you're going to use page 77 of your notebook to do the written work for that page, and you'll be completing that on your own. Then, if you finish early, you're going to spend the rest of the time in IXL 6th grade. We've already gone into this lesson one time, but I don't think that we got up to a SMART score of at least 85. If you did, then you can just find another lesson in IXL on something that we've been doing recently in class. Your homework for tonight is to go ahead and start preparing for your unit test, which will be on Wednesday of this week. So that is the plan for today. As I said, make sure that you use your hand signals, ask questions, raise your hand to ask questions or to get up out of your seat, and make sure that you have those absent students, make sure you have gotten your makeup work from last week. And hopefully I will see you tomorrow.